Eats, treats, and astronaut greets. NASA welcomed the public to the Goddard Space Flight Center for their Spring Open House. Explore at NASA Goddard was the theme for today's event. The public had unique access to explore, learn, and enjoy the energetic atmosphere of the space agency's largest research facility. Scientists talked about our planet and brought the wonders of the universe down to Earth for all to see, while engineers discussed new missions and their future discoveries. At the Mad Science tent, visitors were amazed by incredible chemistry. Others performed their own moonwalk. Even Darth Vader stopped by, looking for some new recruits. Each location was a technological treasure trove, as guests toured many of the seldom-seen facilities. Thousands of visitors toured the solar system and beyond, all without leaving Greenbelt. But at NASA Goddard, that's just a normal day.